Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, I love it.
That's what
I
I want to
actually
hear.
love it.
Hi guys, today we're gonna do a video. It's gonna be a really different video. This is my friend Gemma.
Hi.
So we're gonna do a makeup video today. So I'm gonna do her makeup as well. So we'll see how it's going. So I'm starting with the primer. So I'm using first primer on her. Just talk, Gemma.
Yeah, I'm really excited about this.
Yeah.
Can't wait to see how you do makeup and
Yeah.
using all your nice products on me.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
nice. Yeah. So she used to work with me actually. We worked together.
On the Glam.
Yeah, on a lawn. So now we are friends. Okay. So I put the primer. So I use Marc Jacobs one, which is really good for the pores. Did you have it before?
The Marc Jacobs?
Yeah.
No, I haven't used it before.
That's a really good one.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, because it's
Okay.
like giving you the more hydrate and fill your pores as well.
Cool.
It's really cool.
Yeah.
And it's blur your marks as well. Before
Nice.
you use the makeup, we want to prepare for our skin.
Yeah.
So then I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Fresco.
So what style makeup are we doing? Is it just
So we'll do a glam one.
glam? Yes.
Yes, I'm popular for glam, so
Cool. I love seeing your glam makeup. So.
yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, it's really good.
Thanks.
So I put the foundation on her, you can see now. In here, people want like light makeup, to be honest, isn't it? Even though we're going for a glamour, we always trying to do natural glamour.
Yeah. And people don't like that heavy feeling, I think. They want to feel like they're not wearing makeup. So
I'm going for her eyebrows. I got the Benefit one, which is 24 hours brow setter.
what is that benefit?
It's a Benefit one. It's setting our eyebrows properly.
Yeah. My
So-
eyebrows need more definition, so
Yeah.
what's that there?
There's a pomade.
Oh nice. What
So-
brand is that?
There's a Benefit too.
Oh, nice.
So I'm using a pomade for her eyebrows. You can see I'm using an angle brush. So angle brush with the eyebrow brush too. So it's really easy to remove excess from her eyebrows.
This is so relaxing.
Yeah. Because it's so quiet here, that's the reason. Yeah.
I don't think I've ever had a green look. I'm excited.
Okay, that's good. So I'm using the same thing here as well. You guys can see now her eyebrows. It's not over the top, but it's really good and really simple.
I do this all the time now, like cutting with concealer. Like I just can't go out without doing
Yeah.
the pomade and concealer on my brows.
I'm gonna use a concealer to define her eyebrows. So Gemma, tell me, how do you feel? Like, do you feel heavy or do you feel?
No, it feels really nice.
Close your eyes. That's good.
Yeah. Doesn't feel cakey or anything, it just feels nice.
Yeah. So you guys can see now her eyes. I cover with the concealer. So give her more definition to the eyebrows. My favorite palette that I'm gonna use today, that's the Huda Beauty, the nude palette. Do you like it? I love the colors. So you can see it's a sparkle and so pink on there. So that's my favorite color.
Yeah.
And her favorite color is purple.
Yes. Yes.
So I will I will blend together. So I'm using this color first. You can see like a light pink. It's called Chico. That's cute name.
That's cute.
Chico. So I'm using the Chico color on you.
Are the glitter ones the cream ones or the powder as well?
It's the powder.
Yeah.
That's the powder one. So before you use any eyeshadow, just use it the lighter color. That's another trick as well. How long have you been
10 years. So I trained back in 2009 and 2010. And then I've done my beauty therapy from home for 10 years now. And then I just started learning more about makeup working with you at Revlon.
Yeah.
Because I didn't really do much makeup before that.
Yeah.
So it was good to learn something new, a new challenge
Yeah.
for me. And now like I'm really excited about doing more.
That's a good thing.
Yeah.
That's what we need as well. So now I'm using the brownie color. You can see here. That's called raw. So I'm using raw on you. So in the corner, I'm using that darker color.
Is it to give like a smoky effect?
Yes. So other thing is, blending is the key. So every time when you put any eyeshadow, just blend.
Do you just choose any colours or is there certain colours that you should put with?
No, just go with like what you're wearing or what you like. So you can see now the corner of her eyes looking really lighter and the other side of the eye is looking really dark. So that's how we're giving the smoky look. Then I'm using purple to the corner as well. You can see your eyes. Look at that.
Oh wow, that's so pretty. I love that. Very nice.
And then I'm using a sparkle on her. So I'm using Crayon, which is like rose goldy and goldy look, isn't it?
So do you put that in the inner corner?
In the corners. Other thing is I'm using my finger to use sparkle because I want more pigmentation from that eyeshadow. So when you use the finger, so give more pigmentation to the eyes. So that's another trick. Now I'm using eyeliner. I'm using for her black eyeliner. I'm going to talk about my lashes. Recently I got my lashes. I didn't launch yet. You can see the box. It's really cool. I'm going to use that for her, so we'll see how it's going. Now I want to use a little bit of the black on her corner eye. How do you feel?
They feel very glam.
Yes, it is.
Oh wow! They're amazing. Far out. Oh my gosh, they are amazing. Wow.
So I use my lashes on her. How do you feel?
pretty. No, I feel very glamorous.
Yeah. And how do you feel that? Is that comfortable? Or?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. They
That's
are.
good. Out of 10, how much you gonna give to my lashes?
10 out of 10.
Oh, thanks. You're so lovely.
They feel amazing.
Yeah. It's fully glam. I wanted to give you guys more glamour look. If you want like a really perfect on-point look, you must need lashes. So I'm making your face shape, so that we call contouring. Contouring is the main part for the face because that's how we're gonna give more shape to the face. Yeah.
I need more shape.
Yeah. So blend really well. So I told you before, blend is the key for eyeshadow. Blend is the key for the face as well. Little tricks. So I'm using here.
So up the cheekbone instead of on the actual apples.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now I'm using highlighter. Highlighter is the key. When you take a picture, when you go out, you need the light to your face. That's right.
Highlight's my favourite product. It gives you that healthy glow and
Yes, we need the glow. These are the main places that we want to apply. And for her nose, I'm using my finger because I want that sharp look. This is our new mascara, Idol mascara from Lancome. We launched, I think, last week.
wow.
So, which is really good. This is my favorite color from Colourpop, Calypso. That's the name. So I'm not gonna use lip liner today for her because I want more like a really plumpy look. It's more glam and so simple too. It's not too much going on her face as well. So at the end, I'm using the Urban Decay All Night 24-hour setting spray.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, I love it.
That's what I want to
actually
hear.
love it.
Yeah.
Far out.
What you like most?
The eyes. And I actually love the way you've done my lips because I always wear lip liner and I didn't even realise it would be quite constricting. So I've always seen those like girls, you know, that have the real plump lips and they sort of go over like that, but I feel like I just couldn't do it. But I love that. Like, I just love the highlight up there and I love the glam look on the eyes. Oh no, I love it all. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh.
That's okay.
I just feel, really glamorous because normally I've done the same makeup for like years and years and I always put black eyeliner on my waterline it's just what I've always done. And I've never actually used white eyeliner on my waterline. but I actually really like it.
Yeah, that's what I
So-
wanted to give you the really
Something
different look.
different. Yeah. Yeah.
Because sometimes people really scared to use different colors for their eyes.
Get out of
And
your comfort zone.
yeah, get out from your comfort zone. You will find out who you are, and you're gonna be so beautiful as well if you use something different. Because I used to do always the same makeup, but as a makeup artist, I want to get out from my comfort zone. So yeah, you can use now white eyeliner as well. It's giving you like a Barbie doll look.
Yeah, I love it because I would never like just go for like do something different like this, and I actually love it. So
yeah, that's really great. I love it. So guys, I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much, Gemma.
Alright.
Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Bye guys.
Bye.